welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making sour cream and onion biscuits. I mean, the name says it all. What the name doesn't tell you is that there's no sour cream in it, and there's also no onion in it. So why are these called sour cream and onion biscuits? Because it's supposed to taste like them once they're fully baked. It's going to get that tanginess from the buttermilk in it and that creaminess, and also from the Parmesan cheese. It's got chives in it. So ultimately, it's sort of tricking your brain into thinking it's eating a sour cream and onion potato chip, but it's really a biscuit. Yes. Thank you for this song request. It was a challenge, but I am up for it. To the buttermilk, to the chives, to these biscuits that gives them a new life. We will be satisfied. We will be very satisfied. Yeah, we're going to be satisfied. Sour cream and onion biscuits. I mean, come on. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your cookie sheet ready to go with a piece of parchment paper or grease it well. Flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, whisk together. Add in your butter. Use your fingers or a pastry cutter to work this into the flour mixture that we have here. We're looking for pea-sized crumbs. Add the Parmesan, chives, toss to combine. Drizzle in that buttermilk. The mixture will still be a little bit lumpy, and that is okay. It's clumpy, but you can see the whole thing is holding together, and it has a moist, wet-ish appearance. That's what you want, and if you need to add a little bit more buttermilk in to get it this way, that is a-okay. Scoop the dough using a big scoop or a third a cup. We're just gonna literally drop it onto your cookie sheet. Just like that. Into the oven for 23 to 24 minutes until they're a nice golden brown. Time's up. Boy, does it smell fantastic in my kitchen. Look at that. They are a nice golden brown. We get to eat these warm. Oh, yes, we do. So we're going to dig in about 5 minutes. Oh, my goodness. These smell pretty heavenly, I have to say, and they definitely smell like a sour cream and onion potato chip, sort of. Take a closer look. Get to eat these warm, so I'm going to break off a little piece. Ooh, it's a little bit crisp on the outside, but you can see it's so nice and tender on the inside. Oh, yes. All right, let's give it a taste because it's all in the taste. These are utterly delicious. Sure, it doesn't have sour cream in it, and it doesn't have onions in it, but it has chives and Parmesan and that buttermilk, and holy cow, these are great. So great. Does it give me that taste in the back of my tongue like a sour cream and onion potato chip would? Yeah, it does do that, but in all the right delicious ways. These are not going to last very long. Delicious! If I can make these sour cream and onion biscuits for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and on TikTok for so much more.